last video, a lot of people were asking me about AI generated content, if YouTube is still going to weed them off the platform or going to demonetize channels that are into AI content. And after series of research, I've actually come with an answer. Okay, and from what I discovered, YouTube is not going to weed off AI channels completely, but there is something that YouTube wants to normalize, and there is something they want to regulate entirely in the AI industry. Number one thing is that the AI content, it is becoming like too much on the platform, and a lot of people are abusing this right to AI generated content. Just like one person will just wake up one day and go over to ChatGPT, and they just give ChatGPT prompt. ChatGPT will generate just random stuff for them, and they will head over to YouTube and post immediately, and they'll start making money. So one thing that YouTube wants to regulate is this: the mass production of this AI content, especially the ones that are not thoroughly vetted and the ones that did not put a lot of effort into creating videos like this. There are a lot of mass produced AI content like the short videos. YouTube actually wants to put a regulation on the kind of content that people who are into AI related fields are churning out on YouTube. And it's becoming like too much because a lot of people, because they found out that AI content is so easy to make and you can easily cash out on YouTube with that. So a lot of people are now jumping into this particular trend to make videos and to do mass production of AI content, okay? Because this is where YouTube is emphasizing on mass production of content. A lot of people are doing this because when you go over to your FYP, you start seeing a lot of unorganized AI content everywhere, trying to manipulate the system and trying to gain with the system. Because look around you, you can see that a lot of creators are not getting the views that they're supposed to get because of this AI issues. Because AI has actually come and it's as if they are normalized, like they are making things easy for a lot of people. You can just randomly come up and go to one AI platform like that and make a video and put out on YouTube. So this is becoming too much, especially for YouTubers who are putting in the work. So if you're into AI content, do not be afraid. But what you should do is that you should find a way to make your content worth it. Okay. And a lot of people who are into AI content, they produce like up to 20 videos in a day, 247. They are producing videos. No, it shouldn't be that way because it is signaling to the system that your contents are not worth it and they are low effort content. Okay. So if you still want to retain in the system, please make sure that your content is worth it if you're into AI. No, AI is not going to go entirely because AI has come to stay. Okay, so but what you have to do is that you have to make it worth it so that you have to remain in the system. And again, when you are doing the AI content, please make sure you categorize it as AI related content, okay? Not try to game the system when you are posting your videos without adding if your video is AI generated content or not. When you're uploading your video on YouTube, there is usually a part that asks you if this video is AI generated or not. Okay, they usually ask you if it is AI generated or not. So make sure you indicate that it is AI generated content, because if you do not put that, YouTube might think that you are trying to game the system or you're trying to manipulate the system. And again, please, especially for people who are into storytelling, please make sure you are not making the same story as the next person, because there are a lot of storytelling AI channels on YouTube now. Okay, so please make sure you're not copying another person because it will be termed as inauthentic and fake. Make sure your own stories are being generated by you. The prompts that you're using, you are using it by yourself and not taking off the same story as the next person on YouTube and posting it as your own, even if you're going to use different characters. No, please make sure that you are being authentic, because the fact that YouTube has actually said, okay, we are going to put an eye on AI content, it means that they are going to come out fully for AI related content. So anything that you can do that will make you fall into this particular kind of trouble, please avoid it entirely. Avoid it entirely, okay? But once you're doing the right thing, YouTube is not going to weed you off the system. What you just have to do is just to read their terms. Even if you like, you can just go over to their platform and read it very well and understand it on your own terms. Okay, so it's not hard to understand. So be more careful if you are doing AI related content on YouTube. Other thing is that you should limit the number of posts or the number of content that you make in a day. If you're always the person that makes hundreds of YouTube shorts a day, that posts AI videos that are 100 like up to 100 in a day, please limit the number you do in a day. You are not a robot, okay? So it's signaling to the system that you're just doing this thing for fun, or like probably you are not serious about what you are doing. So limit the number of shots or number of AI videos you produce in a day. I know it's easy for some people to do, but please give it some break. Do it like you are human, like you are putting in so much effort into doing it. Okay, stop churning out videos anyhow just because you have the capacity to do so. Mass produce doesn't mean that it is AI. A lot of people, even if you're not doing AI content, you can still be mass producing content. So you should actually know the context, okay? So mass produce doesn't automatically mean AI, but just that AI as a tool is actually making it easy for a lot of people who are into mass production to do it freely and very easy. Okay, so if you're into mass production of videos, like churning out different videos or up to 20 videos in a day on your YouTube channel, please stop it, because it is signaling to the system that you are doing mass production and you're not serious about it. So even if you're not doing AI content and you're doing mass production on your own, it can be termed that you're using AI to do all of those things, and you're generating it just randomly and easily without, like, a video that doesn't have a structure, it means that your video doesn't have a structure, like you're just producing anything just because you have access to AI. Please, you should also note the difference. Okay, so do not be afraid. If you are doing AI content, YouTube is not going to demonetize you if you are doing the right thing. Okay. And I just hope everybody is going to succeed on this YouTube thing. And see you in my next video. Good luck and bye.